Hey guys, this is me and this is Ava.
And in this video, we take a chaotic road
This
trip.
is so sketch. And we went to our favorite place, Lake Chelan. So enjoy this little girls trip vlog because we literally planned it an hour before we left.
I'm ready to conquer crazy things.
Ava just picked me up, and now we're at gas. We're fueling up. Now we're at gas. I don't really know what we're doing because me and Ava just are a little flustered to the fact that we mapped it and it says 4 hours and 30 minutes. Mind you, it never takes.
I f***ed this one up too. Okay, I literally ruined both of them. This is really embarrassing. Why is it doing that? Oh.
It's gonna be a fun weekend.
Like we do this every weekend.
We do this every single weekend.
Bag secured.
There you go. Welcome to the Ava and Ava road trip. Normally it takes 2 hours, 2 hours and 30 minutes max.
Me and Ava do random things a lot, but this has gotta be the most random thing.
I mean, we literally planned this 2 hours ago.
We didn't plan anything. We're driving to Chelan with like no plan. I'm hoping it's really lit and fun and amazing.
Yeah, and I didn't forget a toothbrush this time.
I didn't either. I called Ava and I was like, we're going to Chelan. And she was like, what? And I was like, no, like seriously, like we have 2 hours.
I was also an hour away from home. So when she calls me, I basically leave my friend's house an hour away, which we're gonna be driving by anyways. Like
Ava was like, pick me up from my friend's house. And I was like, you have nothing for Chelan. Like we were just like, yeah, I'll go and have nothing.
I'll go to Walmart and I will buy Walmart clothes. Another thing
I forgot allergy medicine.
I forgot my vitamins!
And underwear. That's way worse.
This is crazy. Still 4 hours and 30 minutes away.
We've been driving for 30 minutes, so.
It just keeps going
We
up.
should update every single hour we have left, like when you go on runs and you're like, okay, 2 miles in, 3 miles in, except we're not running. How much time's left?
We've been driving for an hour. Wait. How much time have we been driving for an hour? That's it. Woods. Salad mukbang.
Ooh, this is really creepy.
You should send me your location so I make sure you're in the right spot. I mean, you guys are going to Chelan, Montana.
Okay, can you not freak me out because me and Ava are on freak out mode? We don't even want to stop at the gas station because we're in the prime of where that guy just killed his kids and he's on the loose.
Leavenworth, Lake Wenatchee, up into Blewett Pass. If you have a home, you had to have all your shades open and your doors unlocked because they were mandatory searches this weekend.
In the area I'm in right now?
Yes.
So I could have actually gone my whole life without knowing that. It's not even like, oh, this is dangerous. Like, there's a killer on the loose right next to us.
Horses. They are on the darkest road of America right now.
Dad?
Ava, this is...
What?
Okay, good. I thought we lost you for a second. I got a little scared.
You're literally so far away.
I know. We're literally in the boondocks. We still have 3 more hours. Hello? Hello? Dude, this is kind of scary. I wish that we were being dramatic. We're not, actually. This is so sketch. It's about to be dark. We're in the middle of a mountain. We've lost service. And you can't see. Guys, this is wait. No, we have to tell them we have news better than Christmas morning. Ava, go ahead and let them know what you did.
I mapped us to the middle of Lake Chelan, and I remap us, and instead of 2 hours and 30 minutes away, we're now 30.
Yes, the trip was never supposed to be 5 hours and 30 minutes or whatever it said in the beginning.
4 hours.
And my dad was like, you just remap it, like that makes no sense. Because we were like, we can see the lake, like what's going on?
We're basically here, like we know the area, we've driven this before.
Yeah, and it's still 2 hours away, and we're like, this doesn't make sense.
Yeah, but at least I still mapped us to get to the area we're supposed
as
to go.
if we're gonna drive our car through the water or something.
How are you? I'm just calling to say goodnight. What's so funny? I was like heading to bed, you know, I just wanted to say goodnight. Love you too.
Oh my gosh! Love you too! Wow.
What the hell? We made it! We We successfully did the 3-hour road trip. Excited, and the security man helped us with all of our bags. And shout out to my grandpa for letting us use his condo.
Yes, we love you, right? Shout out that man for telling us to go jump in the lake. It's basically a sign.
Beautiful. Someone's excited.
I want to go jump. Can we just go skinny dipping?
Okay.
You know you didn't.
I lost my bottoms. They're at the bottom of the lake.
Hey, were you serious? I swear.
Yeah,
I swear.
Guys, my swimsuit bottom of the Maybe I'll find them tomorrow morning. We're gonna go walk and get some coffee, and then we are gonna be tanning in the 10 UV today.
A little drool right. I'm ready to conquer crazy things.
Look at how pretty the view is this morning, and look at how clear the water is. Are we kidding?
Yeah, that's.
So good, actually.
Mine's gross. It's almost gone because it's so bad.
Just kidding. Really?
We forgot to make the TikTok of like this is us before the Chelan trip.
Yeah, dang it. We're gonna make a pre-tan, post-tan TikTok, but we are so damn hungry, it's actually unreal because we thought it was
How are ya?
I thought it was smart to not get food with our smoothie. It's now 1:30 and we are finally going to get some Num Nums at Safeway.
We got the entire store. And I got my bag of ketchup.
Oh my god. You love your ketchup.
Yeah.
I literally cannot get myself off this freaking deck. Look at how beautiful it is right now. Are we joking? Wow. It is currently 96 degrees. I took out my braids too and they look so, my hair looks so like beautiful and just like, it's been so good. All of us took a body shower and after a long day of tanning, this is just like the best feeling. If you know, you know. Girls are a little bit sunned out, so they're getting ready inside, but I brought my makeup bag outside. I'm gonna do a little get ready with me on my TikTok. Out here, I can't leave. Like I have to soak up every minute because we're only here for tomorrow. I think we're gonna hang out with some of Ava's guy friends tonight that she has here and then just like go into town and see where the night leads us. We'll probably be in the lake by the end of the night. Also, a little skin update. You guys didn't know I struggled with acne for a little bit, like really bad actually. Probably like September to like mid-January, and then I started a whole new skincare, and when I tell you stopping talking to a guy was the best thing that I've ever done for myself, like mentally, physically, and skin wise. Take this as your sign to drop your ex. I'm not even like trying to give him a shout out here, but like, you know, I'm so much happier. I feel free. Like I am so happy we're here right now. Words cannot describe like how happy I am that we decided to do this little spontaneous trip. I'm so happy. So let's get ready.
You're so adorable.
Guys, the camera girl right now is just like looking very delectable.
Hi, son.
How are ya?
How are ya? I know that you're in love with him cause I saw you dancing in the gym.
Ice cream's closed.
happy girls. What's your favorite ice cream topping? Comment down below.
It's literally dead, guys. It's never this vacant ever. Guys, I guess we just never come this early, but like what?
We want to find friends and it's hard.
It's hard around here. I like my cream. We're back together! We were apart for like 2 hours. Yeah.
I have the white tongue disease.
We're going to go tan for the next 3 hours of our life, and then we're gonna go to slide waters.
We're trying to do more activities today, less tanning.
But
So we're thinking.
nice little break. You guys, we should paddleboard. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Then
that's
we
what
can,
we're gonna
get
do.
Crisp with the sun radiating off the lake. So everyone, let's go put tanning oil on and get paddleboard.
Yeah.
We are having lunch now. This is our mukbang. We have some rotisserie chicken and Ritz crackers.
Yum.
Who's hype? I know we are.
Appetizing.
Looks
No, it's
so
really good
Is it
actually.
actually?
So guys, we just went paddleboarding.
We did. I forgot to record it. We're literally so skinny.
We go on paddleboards and we swim all day.
Yeah.
Find my waist.
Seriously.
And we're eating chicken for lunch. And ice cream.
Nobody eats ice cream. We don't eat ice cream.
Halo top.
Shout out Halo Top, please sponsor me. Let's freaking go. I just spent $20 on this waterproof case.
I'm not going down that slide.
Ava, you're making me go down this alone.
Oh my god. That was faster than the water was coming up in my face.
We're about to go down this big racer slide.
Hey, who's gonna win? Do you think you got this?
I beat you guys hella last time, so what are your thoughts?
We'll see.
Nice try, Eva. Guys, that sucked. Rested up, we showered, we got ready, and now we are taking Instagram pictures because look at how beautiful the wake is. It's literally beautiful. Like, everyone come to Lake Chelan, but actually don't come here because this is like a hidden treasure, and I don't know why I keep saying like we're in Lake Chelan. Like, don't come here.
Do not come to my town.
We're about to walk to Safeway and do a little hot girl walk. And skinny.
Let's do a hot girl walk, shall we?
We shall. That's crisp. Cheers.
Ava's getting it on right now.
Hella flirting. It was really good.
She's flirting and
We're letting her do her thing.
Ava's not with us, but we love her and we're having so much fun.
Shout out Ava.
Love you. We love you. We wanted to just do this so you remember this trip and how
You'll see
much
this
fun it
later,
was.
and we love you so much.
We love you. How do I end it?